no customer service, no recourse if you lose your money. In today's lesson, we will be covering one of the most important tactical considerations in cryptocurrency, how to keep your crypto safe. So if you're ready, let's get started with this lesson. Everything has a cost. The cost of freedom is responsibility. Cryptocurrency allows anyone to be their own bank. Problem is, if things go wrong, you're your own bank and you really don't have anyone to turn to for help. Worry not, my dear students. There are a few key rules to keeping your crypto safe. If you follow them, you can sleep well at night knowing your cryptocurrency is stored responsibly and safe. The first rule is, don't let others hold your private key for you, which is a technical way of saying don't let anyone hold your crypto for you. If you don't have exclusive access to your private key, you don't really own the crypto. You are trusting a third party like an exchange or web wallet to hold your cryptocurrency. This introduces counterparty risk because they might get hacked, spy on you, freeze your funds, or even rob you by running away with all the money stored on the site called an exit scam. If this happens, the chances of you getting your funds back are effectively zero. These issues are far too common in the crypto space because new people in the space continue to think and act like they are using fiat. They have been indoctrinated into the concept that it is okay for others to have access to their funds and trust is given up much too freely. It might feel safer to trust experts to store your crypto for you, but unless they are fully insured and 100% reputable, you are far better off learning how to secure your crypto yourself. As you will soon see, it really isn't that difficult. Just like there are many cryptocurrencies, there are also many wallets available for each currency. Crypto wallets are special software that allow you to receive, store, and spend crypto. Because cryptocurrency is open sourced, literally anyone can create wallets. For this reason, you should not trust just any wallet to store your money. Doing so is very, very risky. Instead, you must do your research to learn which are the best wallets for the currency you want to use. You must find a reputable wallet to use in order to keep your crypto safe. These wallets will have slightly different features, but what makes them trustworthy will be that they are all open sourced, meaning their code can be reviewed by experts. You must research which open source wallets have received the most thorough reviews and which are buggy or even worse, scams. This may sound hard, but the question has been asked many times all over the internet, and finding an answer you feel confident with should not be that difficult. If you are still unsure, it is recommended that you ask cryptocurrency communities directly which are the most trustworthy wallets for their cryptocurrency, and the community member is likely to give you a number of options. So let's say you found a trusted wallet to store your crypto on in your phone or computer. What if your phone breaks or you lose it? You don't want to lose your crypto. Fortunately, developers have come up with a solution called backing up your wallet that allows you to restore the funds on a new device. A backup of the wallet allows you to store your private key in a number of different but relatively safe ways for storage. For instance, a common backup strategy is to provide the user a list of words called a seed phrase to write down on a piece of paper. This paper is to be secured in a private place and used in the event that the wallet is no longer accessible. When needed, you simply enter the seed phrase into the wallet on a new device and you are able to recover the previously inaccessible funds. Backups are a great feature for minimizing your fears in the event that you lose access to your wallet, but it also creates a new concern that you may lose your backup. If someone finds your backup and they know what to do with it, they can get access to your wallet and clear it of funds. For this reason, it is critically important that you store your backup in the most secure way possible that makes sense in your living situation. You must hide or secure your backup, and you must make sure no one ever sees it. Similarly, you must password protect your wallet and protect the password too. Here is a scary truth. You can do everything right, like backing up your wallet, using safe software, and being diligent with securing your backup and password, and theoretically you can still be robbed. The reason for this is your computers and phones may be compromised, meaning hackers have some level of access to them. In fact, it is highly likely that some of you have phones compromised to some degree. I know some of you are probably squirming a bit in your seats, but don't worry, I promise there is a solution for this risk as well. There are devices called hardware wallets, which are purpose-built to protect your private key while at the same time allowing you to use your phone or computer to send transactions. Like with software wallets on your phone or computer, it is very important that you select a hardware wallet that is thoroughly vetted by the community and shown to be safe and trusted. In the description of this video below, you will find links to popular and trusted hardware wallets. Hardware wallets are incredible because even if your computer is under the control of a hacker, they can't steal your funds from you. Good hardware wallets are a bit pricey, but if you are storing a sizable amount of crypto, they are definitely worth it. The level of security they provide are unrivaled. The only way your funds can be stolen from you when using a hardware wallet is from a traditional robbery. The thief would need to hold you under duress and force you to release the funds from the hardware wallet. For this reason, the last way to keep your crypto safe is to be very careful who you tell about your crypto. Don't let people know you have large amounts of crypto, especially if you don't have the physical protection to prevent a theft. Hopefully you haven't been scared off. Securing your crypto is totally doable. You just need the discipline to set up your security properly. Once you have, and you follow the basic precautions from scammers and thieves, you won't have anything to worry about, especially if you have a hardware wallet. Maybe some of you are still unsure if it is worth all the fuss. Please join me in my next class, which will answer the question, what are the benefits of crypto? Your homework for today's lesson is to share this lesson with a friend or family member who might be storing their crypto improperly or has concerns about keeping crypto safe from theft. If you support the work we do, please consider contributing to our crowdfunding campaign or becoming a sponsor. We'd like to thank this semester's sponsor, the Children of Armenia Fund, for their support of the Հայկական crypto դպրոց. Co-op is an organization which has dedicated itself to the well-being of the prosperity of our young generations in rural Armenia. These young people will help create a new and beautiful Armenia we can all be proud of. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. Bye for now, my lovely students. See you in the next class.